Hello everyone. Today I'm starting my trading with just $17, aiming to make a 100% profit from that amount. Throughout this video, I'll show you in detail how I take every step. Now, let's get started. Alright everyone, in this video, I'm making a purchase based on the 1-minute signal provided by the TurboTrend FX software. This tool is specifically designed to help traders identify market trends more accurately. But remember, trading always involves risk. So be cautious when making decisions and only invest money you can afford to lose. Some of you might be wondering, what exactly is TurboTrend FX? TurboTrend FX is a smart trading tool for binary options. Using 26 indicators, it delivers fast and accurate signals in seconds. Try it yourself and see how it can level up your trading game. If you'd like to download it, check the description below for more details. And yes, it feels great to have a successful first trade. Right now, I still have 2 trades actively running. I'm carefully watching the market movements. And yes, my second trade just closed with a nice profit. All right, friends, now let's take a look at my third trade. Will it be as lucky as the last one? And guess what? The third trade also ended in profit. This is turning out to be an amazing trading session. All right, friends, I'll be placing 1 or 2 more trades just to wrap things up. Honestly, today's results are already more than enough, considering we started with only $17. If you're interested in trying it out, check the video description to download the TurboTrend FX software. All right, friends, that was today's trading session using TurboTrend FX. Starting with just $17, we've already seen some solid results. But remember, trading always comes with risks, so be smart and stay disciplined. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss the next videos. And if you're interested in trying this tool, check the video description for more information. See you in the next one.